What's up world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and today I got a package in from Nike. I've been waiting probably a little over a week to get this in because of the COVID-19. The shipping was delayed, so I finally got it in right here. I hope everybody's staying safe nowadays. Wash your hands, stay inside. Hygiene is very important, so I hope everybody's doing well, except for, except for the ones that aren't. Good luck on your recovery, but very hard times nowadays. But these shoes I've been pretty excited about, so let's just get right into this right now. Kinda got a pretty sharp knife, so do this slowly so I don't cut the inside of the box. Alright. This is the box, Jordan brand, the gold and the black. I'm sure you guys have probably already seen this. There's a bunch of reviews on them already. The Unite paper. And the black and gold DMP 6s. Very beautiful shoe. Get this other one out as well. And move the box out of the way. So here we go. There you go. The bottom's icy. Got the dog tag on it. It says Air Jordan 6, June 12, 1991. Defining moment, MJ's first professional championship. These things are very nice. It feels like a suede. Got the Jumpman on the tongue up here. Got the lace lock with the Jumpman logo. Air Jordan on the top of the tongue here. A hint of gold right here. The Jumpman on the back with 23 as well. And the icy black and gold bottom with the Jumpman as well. These things I had in the DMP pack recently in my mystery box that I had. And I resold the DMP pack. I got a decent price for them, so I got rid of them. I probably could have sat on them and got some more money, but I'm not really a collector. I get them and I push them. That's just kind of what I'm in it for. A lot of people are collecting nowadays, but I'm not really collecting. So these things are really special because Michael won his first championship in them, as I read on the dog tag. And personally, I think these are really, really clean. They sold out on the Sneakers app, and I have some beef with the Sneakers app actually. Last night I had exclusive access for the Royal Toe Jordan 1s, and it said that I was reserved a pair, or they reserved me a pair. So when 11 a.m. hit this morning, I think I missed the drop by 3 minutes, and I was like, oh, no big deal. It told me that I was reserved a pair, so I thought maybe for sure I'd get a pair. And I get it in the app, and the only sizes that were left were big sizes, so I tried to quickly grab a pair. Sold out. Sold out. I missed it by 3 minutes, and I was so frustrated. I sent Nike some feedback, and I just want an explanation. I was confused as to why it said you're reserved a pair, but then I still had to go in and buy it when they dropped. It's kind of misleading, in my opinion. So Nike, what's up with that? Send me a pair, will ya? 9.5. Please. Anyway, these are the shoes. Another pair of 6s I currently have right now are the denim 6s right here. I got in the mystery box as well. Right here. These are actually still available on Nike if you guys are interested in picking these up. I think they might even be on sale. They've been sitting for a while, and they don't have the same bottom. They got like a white bottom. These have the icy bottom. But anyway, these are decent. Wasn't too excited for them. Not limited. But these, in my opinion, as I said before, are very clean. I like an all black sneaker. I like an all white sneaker even more, but all black, I'm down with all black. It doesn't get as dirty. I'm really thinking about keeping these. I said I'd resell most of the time, but I'm really thinking about keeping these. Now that these have released, a lot of people are probably wondering if they're going to re-release the Jordan 11s, part of the DMP pack, which would be pretty cool. And I expect them to do that probably sometime, if not this year, next year, who knows. Who knows? Being the 6s have dropped, probably sometime in the future, Nike will re-release the DMP 11s as well, just to go along with the re-release of the 6s. So that's just my opinion. I don't know if they're gonna do that, so we'll have to wait and see, but I think it would be pretty dope if they did that. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. It would mean a lot. It would mean the world to me. Give this one a thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.